Hello everyone, welcome to the 5-Minute Personal Wellness, presented by 4 Dimensions Consulting Limited. Our topic today is overcoming procrastination. I am one of the consultants from Employee Assistance Program. My name is Howard. So, what is procrastination? We all have faced a lot of things that we don't want to deal with right away. Maybe it is homework when we are small or tasks at work that we are now facing. The situation in which we just don't want to deal with something right away and we want to deal with them later is procrastination. Of course, we know it is the best if we can deal with something right away and finish it as soon as possible. But when we are procrastinating, does that mean we have problems? Actually, no. Procrastination itself is not a problem. It is pretty normal and common. And it is definitely not an issue of our personality. Most of the time, procrastination can be a behavior for self-protection. This protects us from feeling or experiencing uncomfortable and terrible feelings. Procrastination often happens and it may not have much impact on our lives, as we will deal with the issues eventually. But when the procrastination lasts, becoming chronic procrastination, this may affect our emotions, stress, and the capability to cooperate with others. This will also make us feel less and less motivated to face the issue. This can be an alert that we have to be aware of. So, what can we do when we are facing procrastination? Here are a few ways that can help us overcome procrastination. The first point is to break down our goals to smaller, more achievable ones. Let's say we have to do a presentation on a statistic report next week. We can break down the tasks to a few steps. We can use our first 2 days for data research, then 2 days for organizing the data, another 2 days for preparing materials for presentations like handouts and PowerPoints, then the last day on practice and rehearse the presentation. When we break down a task to a smaller and simpler one, we can feel the task is now more manageable and easier to deal with. Sometimes we procrastinate because we are overwhelmed by so many tasks and don't know where to start. The second point we want to talk about is to give ourselves some time to weigh the importance and urgency of the different tasks. This can help us to get a better picture of what tasks in our hand, and we can have a better idea on where to start. For our third point, we can easily find different things that may distract us from the environment. Identifying those distracting factors and avoiding them can help us overcome procrastination caused by distraction. Last point here is to save some buffer time for expected setbacks and difficulties. A common reason for procrastination is that we can foresee some possible difficulties or setbacks that we don't want to face. Save some time for ourselves to be more prepared for the difficulties and setback can help us overcome procrastination for this reason. Other than what we can do when we are facing procrastination, we can also do something to reduce our procrastination habits. The first point is to reward ourselves for what we achieved. These rewards can remind ourselves the sense of achievement from accomplishing something. This can help us reduce the chance that we procrastinate. Another point is to make consequences of procrastination more immediate. For example, we are trying to build a habit of doing sports every day. If we skip a day or two, it won't affect us immediately at all. So we will let ourselves procrastinate even more. But if we try to build this habit with a friend, skipping a day will have an immediate effect that you have to now face your friend. This can help us reduce the procrastination habits. The third point is to create a detailed timeline with specific deadlines. We can use this point together with a point we mentioned earlier, break goals to smaller ones, so we can have detailed timeline and deadline on every small tasks. This method can give us a better picture of what we have to do at a specific time. This can also help to create an urgency to act, as we will jeopardize everything we have planned if we do not follow it. The last point is to set some visual cues that can help us avoid procrastinations. Procrastinations can make us lose motivation over time. If we have a visual cue to remind us to take action, we can reduce the habit of procrastination. These visual cues can be posters, memos, or anything that can urge ourselves to take action. It is even better if the cues can record our progress on tasks, like a diary or calendar. And that is the end of our 5-minute personal wellness for this topic. Hope our sharing can help you learn more on how to overcome procrastination. We will see you on the next 5-minute personal wellness. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.